Opposition leader NACHAMISA has set political circles abuzz after posting a cryptic tweet this morning that many believe is a loaded commentary on Zimbabwe's deepening political tensions and possibly a signal of events to come. Sanapenda mashoko obuda panguva ino patoona kuti awa Chamisa cryptic tweet panguva ino yofuela maspeculations panguva ino parikuonekwa kuti pane maZANU-PF power struggles ari kuitika. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibula mnamo brain vamchinzi. Chamisa, the former Citizen Coalition for Change CCC leader, tweeted a single word, almost, alongside an image of a thread fraying to the brink of snapping. The minimalist post, though lacking in detail, immediately sparked speculation, especially when considered alongside another message he posted earlier this week. In that earlier twist, Chamisa wrote, all dictatorships the world over, and since time immemorial, always appear so invincible and unconquerable just before their demise. When they appear indomitable, that's when they are so weak and vulnerable, before ultimately crumbling and collapsing into perpetual oblivion. Taken together, the two tweets appear to point squarely at President Mnangagwa, whose administration has been under mounting scrutiny amid allegations of authoritarianism, economic failure, and internal party rifts. The timing of Chamisa's remarks comes against the backdrop of intensifying power struggles within the ruling party ZANU-PF. Reports suggest that President Mnangagwa is preparing to sidestep his long-term ally and current Vice President ZVAITWA in favor of businessmen and political finance KUTYA as his preferred successor, a move that has allegedly sparked growing discontent within the military-aligned faction of the party. Ndoma shokari kubuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa nelsonchamisa aiwa the cryptic word aiwa rakauya akaposta panguva ine rouya achidraw maspeculations aiwa richipredicta maevents achauya. Pinda comment section medu mufungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.